Hello and welcome all to my next vlog. So in this vlog I'm going to talk about some of the modifications that I've done on my Dominar 2019. So here's the bike. So that's my Dominar 2019 model, charcoal black matte finish, right, with dual exhaust. Also I've done about 16 to 17 modifications on this bike, and that's what we're going to look at in this vlog. So we'll take a look at what are the modifications that I've done, and in the description I'll also place the links from where I got those accessories. All right, here we go. So that's my modification number one. This is a top box from Givi. This comes with a mono lock system. So it's a single key which will allow you to either open the box or you can unmount the box from the stand, right? So a single key to open the box as well as unmount the box from the rack. Now this, coming to specifications of this top box, this is a 36-liter top box. The model number from Givi is B3609 or 360N, I'm sorry. Pretty spacious, where you can keep one full-size helmet and other accessories. I'm planning to use this for storing my, the GoPro kit, my drone kit, my SLR kit, during my travels. So pretty spacious and comfortable. And again, quality is not compromised with Givi, right? So top-notch quality, and these red reflectors, pretty cool, especially during your night drives. They are pretty safe, and they are really handy, especially when you do early morning rides or night rides, right? So that's my modification number one. So modification number two, this is a top rack which I have from Zana, as you can see, the top rack which is from Zana, and this is the universal Givi mount for the top rack, where my top box basically sits. So this is again made of very good quality from Zana. And a perfect fit for Dominar. All right, so that's my modification number two. So modification number three. So this is the side rack that I have fixed from Zana. So the side rack is also from Zana, pretty good build and a sleek fit into the Dominar. Now, one thing which we need to mention with respect to the side rack is, while I have a top box, a hard top box from Givi, the Dominar 2019 model and above does not or is not compatible with the hard side boxes from Givi. So Givi comes with beautiful sleek side boxes, which is like a plug and play system. But with Dominar 2019 and above, those hard side boxes are not compatible, and that's primarily because Dominar 2019 comes with the dual exhaust, and because of the space constraint you're not able to fit a hard side box. So the options that we have is basically to go for the semi-soft or semi-hard saddle bags, which basically mount on this side rack. Right, so that's the options that we have, especially with respect to Dominar 2019 and above. So that's my modification number three, a side rack from Zana. So modification number four, now this is a helmet lock that I have. So this is where I can basically mount my helmets in case of any needs. Now this is a pretty sleek, a number lock system based helmet lock. Not too much of cluttering, pretty simple and straightforward. and cool fit into my Dominar. I've connected this to my top rack and my sides saddle stay. So that's modification number 4. So coming to the front part of it, modification number 5, that's my full guard that I've got for my front wheels. So that's modification number 5. Now this is from a company called Road Rash. Bought it from Amazon. Pretty cool and pretty sturdy one, in fact, and pretty safe as well. Right, so that's modification number 5. So modification 6 and 7, let me put it together. So modification 6 is this number plate holder. So basically, as you all know, the front number plate basically comes on the dome in the OEM models for Dominar, but again that spoiled the look of the dome, right? So this is something that I got from Amazon. So make sure again, when you buy it from Amazon, you choose the right model, because they have specifications which are particular for version 2017 and prior, or version 2019 and above. So make sure you choose the right model for your bike so that you get the right holder. This is also pretty sturdy build, right? So now it gives me a pretty clean look for my number plate. That's modification number 6. And number 7 is basically this number plate holder. Now, one of the problems that we have with number plates is that they're pretty flimsy and they tend to bend during especially when you drive through winds. So this number plate holder basically gives a pretty sturdy finish for the number plate and keeps it firm, right? So that's modification number 7. So modification number 8, that's basically Maddog Alpha auxiliary lamps for my Dominar. This is one of the top end models of fog lamps coming in from Maddog. It's Maddog Alpha. So that's with respect to the modification number 8, which is my Maddog Alpha fog lamps for Dominar. The next modification is modification number 8, which is the crash guard from Zana. Again, you might be wondering, why everything from Zana. I think Zana comes out with extremely good build quality of accessories. So especially when it comes to safety, I think Zana gives a good product. So this is my crash guard from Zana. Again, that's where I've mounted my auxiliary lamps. So modification number 10 on my Dominar is this grill that I've added to the dome. So this is again something that I bought from Bike and Biker in Bangalore. I'll share the link. You can either place it online or go ahead and pick it up at the store. And I was a little skeptical as to how it would spoil the look of the dome, but I think it's pretty sleek as well. And there's no additional clamps that are required, because these basically fit into the OEM screws itself. So you don't need to have additional clamps to get this grill fixed. It fits straight into your dome. So that's modification number 10. So modification number 11. I replaced the default mono horn from Dominar. I replaced it with a dual horn from Roots. A good sound, but still not annoying. So that's modification number 11. It's a Roots dual horn for Dominar. So modification number 12. This is a mobile holder from Bobo. So pretty sleek one again and sturdy. Now this also comes with a charging capability, so you can charge your mobile phones. There's a switch right under the holder. So this is a mobile holder, a charging capable mobile holder from Bobo. So that's modification number 12. So modification number 13, that's my GoPro clamp for the handlebar. So pretty sturdy stuff, especially when you go on bumpy roads. It doesn't shake your GoPro much. It's going to hold it pretty strong. So I prefer generally, these clamp types of holders than the screw types. So a pretty cool option here. So that's modification number 13. Modification number 14. This is the knuckle guards that I've added from Acerbic. Again, very good quality. Now, as you can see, this is going to give you a super good feel in terms of the space around your hand, but still gives a solid protection. And this is basically strong fiber which is encasing the aluminum frame, and this is from Acerbic. Now this is an Italian brand, so very good and comfortable and also safe, right? So that's my modification number 14. So that's modification number 15. Now this is a casing for the oil can here that we have, the reservoir. Now this again is a pretty good one. I've got it from Amazon. Pretty sturdy build and again sleek fit. So that's modification number 15. So modification number 16. Now this is a customized footrest, that again I purchased from Bike and Biker. Now this is a wide model footrest. So this is a pretty good firm footrest, good quality. Now this comes in two colors, right? You have this black finish, which is the powder coating finish, or you have a metallic finish as well, the silver finish. But as you can see, my bike is completely black, so I preferred a black one. So this is modification number 16. Modification number 17. This is a Powertronics ECU that I've plugged into my bike. So there are two maps that come with this Powertronics, map 1 and map 2, pre-configured. One map basically for a city drive and one map for basically highway drive. Just to start with, one of the major differences that I've noticed is the pickup and the mileage that I've received, especially when I drive on highways. I've got up to 39 kilometers per liter when going on highways after fixing this. So that's modification number 17. So modification number 18, that's basically the hazard flasher that I've installed with Dominar. Now this is a flasher that I've got from Race Dynamics, the Flash X module. Basically got it from Amazon. Now this one comes with close to 64 different types of combinations of flashes, right? And easy to fix. This is a do-it-yourself model, and it doesn't tamper with the OEM capability. It fits right into your indicator switches. So this is again modification number 18. So thank you everyone. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. As I said earlier, I'll go ahead and share the links for all these accessories on the description. Feel free to comment, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I'll respond back to you. Right? So thanks, and catch up with all of you on another video. Take care.